Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hilmiantani Radwa, kelas 9H at SMP 15, Kota Sukabumi. In here, I will make a fried rice.
The ingredients are white rice, egg, and other seasoning there, flavoring, garlic, shallots, chili, cooking oil, soy sauce, and salt. Step: first, peel the shallots, garlic, and chilies. After that, wash it. Then, cut the garlic, shallot, chilies into thin strips. Turn on the stove and turn the frying pan on top and add enough oil until it's hot. Then enter the spices that have been cut earlier and stir until fragrant. After that, add the eggs and stir until combined with the seasonings. Quickly add the white rice and stir again until well blended. Then add salt, flavoring, and soy sauce to taste and mix well. On scoop, remove the fried rice, then serve it on a plate. As a garnish, add the chilies sliced on top. Fried rice ready to be served.